Hi friends, my name is Srujana. I'm from Sri Chaitanya School, Civils Batch Rajahmundry. Today I'm gonna say you few words about Indian Railways. Indian Railways is the one of the largest railways network operated by the government of the India. Railways was introduced to India in 1853. Its operations covers 29 states and 7 united territories and also providing international service to its neighbor Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan. It's also one of the busiest rail network in the world, carrying above 18 million passengers daily. Moreover, it is the world's largest employer, providing jobs to millions of people. Thank you.